Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put this on-call calendar into Service Titan. So the first thing that we're going to do is go up to the top here where it says schedule. Go ahead and click that. And then if it's not if it's not selected, please select this field here, technician shifts. And then the next thing that we are going to do is create a shift. So I ended with September 29th. So I am going to go ahead and do Monday the 30th of September through Friday sorry, October 6th, Sunday for Tim. All right. So what we're going to first do, since this is going to be an on-call shift, we're going to click on-call. Now we are going to title it on-call. I don't know why you have to title it, but you do. So now we're going to select our date range. It's pretty easy. We're going to go to Monday the 30th. And the on-call is after hours. So, I mean, this isn't pertinent. The reason for putting this in the schedule is just so we can visually see who's on call. So we're just going to put 5 p.m. and I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute when we're through. 5 p.m. and I just do like 9. They're on call the whole night, but again, it's just so I can know who's on call. So we are going to do 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it's going to repeat daily. All right. So now we're going to put the end date. Tim's last day on call is going to be October 6th. And then now we're just going to here on the second field where it says add technicians to create this shift for. We're going to we're going to select the appropriate technician. And then we're going to hit add to schedule. Very easy. All right. So what it looks like for me when I'm looking at my dispatch board, I might have to refresh. Oh, here we go. It has this orange block. So that's all you're doing. You're making a schedule in Service Titan, which will create this orange block so that each day I know just by looking at my schedule who is on call. So just as easy as that. Again, go to schedule, technician shifts is selected, create a shift, select on call, add a title, your start date, time, repeat, and end date, and then assign the technician. All right. Thank you.